Hi guys, how's it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video. In this video, we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between Delhi Capitals versus Rajasthan Royals. So we are going to do something different in this video. We are going to use the advanced generation section. I will tell you the reason why I am using the advanced generation section. First of all, click on here generate teams here. We need to click on generate teams. And after that we need to choose the fantasy application. I am going to click on Dream 11 and after that continue. So we need to choose the series here. IPL is the series and after that continue. So this is the place where we have to decide, and I decided to go with the advanced generation section because in the above three sections, the first three sections are automatically created by the software. I mean, software will create everything, captain, vice captain, everything will be taken care by the software. So this is very good for, so the combinations are very high, up to 1 lakh combinations we have. So it is hard for the software to filter 20 teams among those 1 lakh teams. It will definitely give best teams, but it is not a small thing for the software to filter 20 teams among 1 lakh combinations. So we need to help software. We need to help software with our predictions so that the task become easy for the software to create best quality teams. So for doing so, we need to click on advanced generation section here. So by using advanced generation section, we need to give some of our predictions, so the software will work with our prediction to give the better teams. So let's click on the teams here. The match is in between RR versus Delhi Capitals and after that continue. So we need to give the match number. You can give any match number, and those who don't know about this software, I will provide the contact details in the description box below. You can contact me, and this is a team generator software for multiple matches, and these are very accurate teams created by the software. So you can give any match number. Let's give 25 as the match number and after that continue. So you can see, choose at least 6 players from each team. So listen carefully. Here I am going to select almost all the players here. So first of all, from RR side, Sanju Samson and E. Lewis and Jaiswal. Riyan Parag, I think you can omit this player, and L. Amrar and Chris Morris, Livingstone, Rahul Tewatia and Mustafizur Rahman, Sakaria and we have K. Tyagi, and these are the 10 players I have selected from RR, and from the Delhi Capital side, Rishabh Pant, Shikhar Dhawan, Iyer, Shah, Hetmeyer, and I think these two teams not gonna change any player because these two teams have won last matches, so they will go with the same squad that they have in the previous match. So we don't have to worry about the playing 11. We can go with the previous 11 as well. So I have selected 9 players, and Avesh Khan. I have selected 10 players from Delhi Capital. I have omitted Marcus Stoinis. I want to go with the Marcus Stoinis as well. So completely I have selected 21 players out of 22 from both the teams, and after that continue. So this is the advanced generation section. In this section, you need to take chances because you need to help the software to give the better teams. So you are not completely depending upon the software. You are giving your predictions along with the software. That is the main point. So first of all, if you think so, both Sanju Samson and Rishabh Pant will be on the top order, so you don't have to fix any wicket keeper. And also if you want to fix, you can fix some players like Akshar Patel. You can fix him, and also you can also fix Kagiso Rabada. You can fix, and from the RR side also you can fix. You don't have to fix anyone from RR side. You can take chances here. This is the section you need to take chances. So I want to only fix Kagiso Rabada, and after that continue. So you can choose the captain players. Here I want to consider Sanju Samson and Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Kagiso Rabada, and you can also Akshar Patel. Also you can keep him as a captain. Here also you can Evan Lewis, and you can go with the Chris Morris as well. That is also a little risky. So these are the players I want to consider as a captain. So you can also go with the Rishabh Pant as well. So these are the players for the captain, and let's go to the vice captain also. So vice captain also we need to select some of the players. So let's quickly select some of the vice. We can select more players in vice captain section because vice captain is little less than captain, right? So after that, continue. So we need to choose the partition strategy here. I think Delhi Capitals is a stronger side, so let's favor Delhi Capitals. So Delhi Capital is team 2, so let's go with the more players from team 2, and let's go with the more players from team 2, and after that continue. And we need to give the credit range. I suggest you to give 98 to 100, and after that continue. And it is a balanced pitch, and the average score will be 154, so you can go with the mixed one 1424, and also you can go with the two wicket keeper strategies as well, because both Sanju Samson and Rishabh Pant are in wicket keeper section. You can go with the wicket keepers as well, so you can go with these kind of strategies. And also 1523 is also fine. So these are the strategies I have selected. You can see 233 and 2324 and 2423 and 1523 and 1424. So after that continue, and we need to give 20 I want to generate 20 teams. So after that, generate teams. You can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are heavily accurate, and because we have given our prediction along with the software, so the teams are more powerful than actual, because the teams are not going to be very risky. These are going to be standard, and you will definitely get the profit. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead, like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.